Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and the third part to my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette tutorials. Just as an absolute pre-warning, a lot of this is like kind of blurry. I'm not too sure what's out with my camera, but I figured you can tell what I'm using, and I'm showing you what I'm using anyway, and it's pretty like self-explanatory. But if you do want me to redo it, I'll be more than happy to, but I thought I'd chuck this up anyway. But yeah, I'm starting off by putting some tape down because I want this to be a little bit cleaner. Then I'm going to start off by going in with salted caramel. And this look in particular, like this exact step routine, I will do a lot when I have this palette. This is like my go-to look with this palette. That's why I really wanted this to go up. So I really apologize that it's blurry. Then to start the definition, I'm going to go in with milk chocolate on a really fluffy brush and just blend that all throughout the crease. Then I'm going to go in with Semi-Sweet, which is like the darkest proper brown in the whole palette. So I'm just going to be taking this on the outer corner only, just to really like define that area specifically. Then just blending it out with a brush without any product on it because you don't want any harsh lines. Then I'm taking Triple Fudge, which I think actually has a little bit of glitter, not glitter, but like it's a bit shimmery, but it comes off quite matte anyway, so that's fine. So this is the darkest color in the whole palette, so I'm just taking this to further define my outer corner. And then I'm going to take Creme Brulee, which is literally my favorite color in this whole palette. I use this the most out of everything. This is just like the perfect fully pigmented gold. I just love this. The formula of this gold particularly is so creamy, so buttery. It's amazing. So I'm just popping this all over my lid and then lightly around where we just put Triple Fudge, just because I want it to be a bit more gradient. So I'm just taking a little bit more of Triple Fudge and just kind of making that a little bit softer so it's a nice transition so you don't see where the two meet. Then I'm just going in with my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner in black, and I am just doing a little wing. This is just like the easiest way to completely finish off a look. Then I'm just applying some mascara before I put on my falsies. And then for the the lower lash line, sorry, I am just taking more of salted caramel mixed with milk chocolate and just running that under the lower lash line just to warm it up a little bit. I didn't want like it to be too harsh. But that is it for this video. As I said, I will refilm it if this was too difficult to watch, but I really hope it was easy to kind of follow along with. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!